The prime numbers. Does anybody out there remember what prime numbers are? Nobody? Grace thinks she knows. Only and exactly two factors. A number that has exactly two factors. So in order to probably kind of get the gist of that, let's write down the first 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And write down all of the factors. What are the factors of 1, Andrew? What times what gives you 1?
Any like 48 or
48 times what gives me 1? By the way, we're looking for whole number factors because there is something times 48 that will give me 1. Anybody know what 48 times what is 1? 48 times 1 48 is 1. But I'm looking for the whole number factors. In your multiplication table, what times what gives you 1?
1.
Times 1, right? What times what gives you 2? Alex?
2 times 2 and
No, 2 times 2 doesn't. Just 1 times 2. What times what gives you 3? Caleb? Yes, 1 and 3. What times what gives you 4? Grace? 1, 2, and 4. What times what gives you 5? Brian?
1 and 5.
What times what gives you 6? Caitlin Stritzel?
1, 2, and 3.
Don't forget about 6.
1, 6.
And you always got the number in itself. Maggie, 7? 1 and 7. 8. Cameron?
1 and 8.
And
2 and 4.
what times what gives you 9? Brooke?
1 and 3.
1, 3, and 9. And what times what gives you 10? Logan?
1, 2, 5, and 10.
Okay, so there's our whole list of all the factors of all those. So by definition, which of those are prime numbers? Which of those are prime numbers? They're the ones that have exactly two factors. Exactly. Cabran?
2,
2 is.
3,
3 is.
5,
5 is.
7.
7 is.
That's it.
And that's it from that group right there. Okay, now things to be careful about with this is sometimes people think that all odd numbers are prime. Well, some are, some aren't. For example, 19. Is 19 going to be prime, yes or no? Julia, 19, do you think it's prime or not? Can you think of any other numbers besides 1 and 19 that give you 19? Nope, so 19 is prime. Okay, but what about 21? Any numbers besides 1 and 21 that give you 21, Maggie?
3 and 7.
Right, 3 and 7. So 21 is not a prime number. Okay. And then what about even numbers? There is a rule about even numbers. One simple rule about even numbers, with one exception to it. Cameron?
No even numbers are prime numbers except for 2.
Very good. 2 is the only even prime number. And can anybody tell me what the reason for that is? Well, why that thing keeps pinging that way? Sammy Bollinger.
Well, all the other even numbers can be multiplied by 2
Divided by 2.
and divided by 2.
Right. Because 2 is a factor of every other even number. So you know it's going to have more than just 2 factors. Because you look here, 4, 2 is a factor of, 6, 2 is a factor of, 8 was a 2 is a factor of 10. No matter what the even number is, any even number can be divided by 2, so you know 2 is a factor of it. So there you can tell that any even number is oh, yeah, yep, I think that'll probably get us where we, what is